Hello! With SAP S/4HANA Cloud 2008, we bring you a further significant step on our Fiori 3 journey, namely Fiori Launchpad Spaces, supporting multiple pages per space. This makes accessing applications via the Launchpad much easier for users. Applications can be organized in a much more meaningful way, and the layout stays stable for end users even if they get new roles assigned to them. With Spaces, you have 3 levels for organizing apps, instead of the 1 level provided by the homepage approach. Let me briefly explain what I mean before showing you this in the system. With Spaces, you can give users multiple spaces. A space is supposed to represent a typical work area for a user, typically a role that a user would have. Technically, a space can be assigned to 1 or more business roles. Each space can contain 1 or more pages. In this example, the space Sales Management has 3 pages. Each page contains 1 or more sections, and these contain the tiles. In the past, the homepage approach offered only 1 page, and the only degree of flexibility in organizing layout was provided by multiple groups of tiles. Now we have 3 levels: multiple spaces, multiple pages, and multiple sections. We provide a what you see is what you get editor for users and administrators so that it is easy to configure and personalize. The overall result is a better user experience for end users with a stable layout. So let's have a look at what this looks like in S/4HANA Cloud 2008 using an example from procurement and one from sales. Here we see the Fiori Launchpad for a user in procurement who does operational purchasing as well as more high-level buying. To make it easy for customers to define spaces for their users, we provide templates for business roles which can be used as a starting point. Here we see spaces built using the templates for the roles buyer and purchaser. The first page here only has 1 section with the main apps for getting an overview, but you can go to Purchasing Analytics here and you see an example with multiple sections. You can also go directly to pages on other spaces. So here let's just go directly to the purchasing page and you see what you need typically for purchasing, purchase requisitions, purchase orders. Let's now have a look at an example from sales. So this user has been assigned to 4 roles: the billing clerk, the internal sales rep, sales manager, and shipping specialist. Here you see the billing page. You can of course go here and have a look at the sales processing, and here sales management, planning and analytics. Users, like I mentioned, can very easily personalize this, so you can directly here move tiles around, or you can go and do more using the edit current page here, where you can add sections. So let's just do that very quickly and call this one, let's call this one ATP as an example, and simply add a tile. And let's choose here the monitor product availability and simply go back and now close the screen. So I've added the tile here and this section, and of course I could have moved it up and down. Now I mentioned that administrators also have a WYSIWYG tool for defining space and pages, so this is the first time they have that. Let's show you what that looks like. So here you see the same page as it looks for the administrator after choosing to use the SAP template for the role. On the right you see the catalogs, and an admin could easily add a section and move it around just like the end user did. With that, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using the new Fiori Spaces.